Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And as usual, people, my day, so if I tell you what, I'll go on for that to go on. So let's just kick it off with this viral story coming out of Jamaica. Earlier, we posted this video upon with other social media platform, and whoa, me not gonna tell you no lie, the sender said all of this was over one bag of ice. Well, they said specifically $1,000 Jamaican, and you know that's roughly like $6 US. You feel what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And the man end up unalive the woman, you know. You see what I say? But the sender also said the police in return, you know, go for the individual and slap about 20 in him head. And he's not here no more. He said that was the unofficial version. I know this is what the news is saying. A man accused of fatally stabbing a woman during a dispute over ice on Love Lane in Jamaica, Kingston on Wednesday was later shot and killed by police the same day. He has been identified as Davar Dacres, also known as Davy, of King Street address. Dacres was being sought in connection with the killing of the 50-year-old Katherine Wallace, also called Kathy, of Fleet Street. The stabbing was reportedly captured on CCTV. Reports are about 5:20 p.m. Dacres and Wallace, who were drinking at a nearby bar, were involved in a dispute over ice. The dispute reportedly escalated into a physical altercation during which Dacres used a ratchet knife to inflict multiple stab wounds to Wallace's upper body. She was later assisted to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. And later that night, about 11:25 p.m., police reportedly intercepted Davy along Hanover Street. During the encounter, he allegedly attacked officers with the same knife and failed to comply with their instructions to drop the knife. He was then shot and injured and taken to the hospital, where he also succumbed to his injuries. Superintendent Forbes, commanding officer of the Kingston Central Police Division, said that the incident marks the third murder in the division since the start of the year, and the second involving a knife. She expressed concern about changing patterns of violence. What we are seeing is a reduction in gang-related conflicts and a rise in domestic and interpersonal disputes since 2025. In response, she said the division has intensified Operation Blade, a zero-tolerance initiative targeting the possession and use of offensive weapons. We will continue to, this operation along the community engagement and all of these things. You see, my peeps. Back to the street version because, we're seeing this pan, with TV, and there's so much things going on in this video. And as you know, the man them seem to be afraid of the man there, as they should, because him have things in him and you see me say, I don't know if him are down in the area, but as you can see, the police say him done Duppy couple people already. And you see me say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But I'm just giving a quick update while I go on for that to go on. So in the meantime, do not forget to check out these next suggested videos on the sip on the screen. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, or even gossips. Bless.